एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। मैं हूं सीमा और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिएटिव कोव आर्ट स्टूडियो। आज हम क्रिएट करेंगे एक ब्यूटीफुल मंडाला आर्ट स्टेप बाय स्टेप। Mandalas are intricate designs that represent universe and our connection to it. Let's dive in and explore the therapeutic world of mandala art. I will guide you throughout each step so that you can follow along and create your own masterpiece. It is very easy. I'm going to tell you the tricks and tips how easily you can create a mandala design. और इसी के साथ साथ मैं आपको एक अपनी छोटी सी जर्नी पे लेकर जाऊंगी जहां मैंने इसी मंडाला आर्ट से इंस्पायर होकर अपने घर की वॉल पे एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा मंडाला डिज़ाइन तैयार किया और जिसे मुझे लगभग 20 दिन का टाइम लगा। बट बिफोर दैट वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट ब्यूटिफुल मंडालाज। बहुत ही छोटे छोटे क्यूट नाइस पीसेस बनाएंगे हम, और जिसे बनाने में बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं लगने वाला है। 2 से 3 मंडाला डिज़ाइंस हम तैयार करेंगे। और चलिए चलते हैं मंडाला आर्ट की जर्नी पे। So let's start. We'll be using a paper, a pencil with compass and few colored pens. Now with the help of this compass, we'll make a simple circle, a small circle. Then we'll increase the radius and then again we'll draw a circle. Again, 3rd circle and one more 4th circle. So like this we are going to create more sheets. So here are 3 sheets which I have already made. Now we'll start with the first one, the easiest one, which has only 3 lines of circle. And now we are using the scale to divide the entire circle, all circles, into equal parts. And then we are going to draw the designs. Make sure that you are repeating the designs in each circle. As we create, remember that mandala art is all about mindfulness and self-expression. Don't worry about the mistakes. Just enjoy the process and have fun. क्या आप जानते हैं द वर्ड मंडाला कम्स फ्रॉम द संस्कृत वर्ड वृत्त, जिसका मतलब है सर्कल और सेंटर. सो द एंटायर मंडाला डिजाइन revolve around a center. That is why we call them concentric circles. Now this sheet has 4 circles and I'm going to start directly with colored pens. You can repeat any type of patterns. It could be a leaf, it could be a petal, anything. For me, nature inspires me a lot. So in my designs, you will see a lot of natural patterns. In Hindu and Buddhist traditions, mandalas are used as a tool for meditation, spiritual growth, and self-reflection. And believe me, it really works. Now this is our last sheet. We'll use a scale to draw lines to divide these concentric circles into equal parts so that our design is symmetrical. Now this time for this design, I do not need these colored pens. I'll be using only black pen. While we are completing this design, let me take you to the journey of my mandala mural art. So first I started painting the entire wall by myself. Yes, by myself. After 2 coats it was like this, but I was not satisfied. Then after the third and the final coat, it was like this. And now I started sketching it out with the help of a chalk and scale. And this is the final design after sketching. And then I started painting it with the acrylic colors. And slowly it started finishing. I gave the finishing touch at the end. And here we go. Is almost complete. And then I wrote my favorite shloka from Bhagavad Gita. आई होप कि आपको मेरा म्यूरल आर्ट बहुत पसंद आया होगा. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. नाउ लास्ट मंडाला इज ऑल्सो डन. एंड दैट्स इट, आवर मंडाला आर्ट इज कंप्लीट. वेल, कैसा लगा आपको आज का सेशन? कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए. एंड आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड क्रिएटिंग with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art tutorials and inspiration. तब तक के लिए tata, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.